I parked up on the side of the road. I'm just going to quickly show you what it sounds like when you rev the car without the noise, like the flutter. So nah, it's pretty basic, to be honest. Yep. Just going to get out. Pretty dirty, to be honest. Got this. The harness you want to take out is this one at the back. To do it, you push down, lift the tab up, and then quite hard with one hand, like. The tab's out. We'll close that. I'll just put it on its latch. Come back and give it a whirl. Sounds pretty good, like. Let's put the clutch down. I'll be able to rev it further. Very loud. That's about it. Well, we'll just take it for a quick drive without it in. Get a feel of what it sounds like. Right. Got these GTI seat belt covers. They're pretty good. Right, I'll turn traction back on. Get it for a quick spin. Like, obviously, the faster you go, like the more acceleration you have, the more aggressive it sounds. You don't actually need the windows down to hear it. It is really loud inside the cabin. So obviously, just screams. Right, I'm just gonna do a few video clips driving around, so you can hear it more. But before I do, I'm just gonna say, like, this can't, if you're willing to do it, like, it can't be good for your turbo, like, but as far as what I've learned, it won't do instant damage, but it will reduce the life of your turbo, just because it puts more wear on the bearings and that. So it's just a warning for you. Anyway, I'm just gonna take it for a drive. Put the seat forward again. Oh, did not sound good.